What if I told you that the very surfaces you touch every day, your phone, your doorknob, even your kitchen counter, might be carrying more germs than a public restroom? Scary, right? We spend so much time inside our homes thinking they're safe, but in reality, bacteria, viruses, and harmful microbes live silently all around us. And here's the shocking part. Most of us clean our homes, but we don't actually sanitize them properly. Cleaning removes dirt. Sanitizing kills germs. If you skip sanitizing, you're leaving behind invisible threats that can make your family sick. So today, I'll reveal unbelievable ways to sanitize your home quickly. Fast methods that take minutes but leave your home truly safe and germ-free. Cleaning versus sanitizing. What's the difference? First, let's clear the confusion. Cleaning simply removes dust, crumbs, and dirt you can see. It makes your house look tidy, but sanitizing goes deeper. It actually kills germs, bacteria, and viruses that you can't see. Think about it. Your kitchen counter may look spotless after wiping, but if it wasn't sanitized, harmful bacteria like salmonella might still be sitting there, waiting to contaminate your food. That's why both cleaning and sanitizing are important. Tip number 1. The 60-second phone sanitizer. Your phone is one of the dirtiest objects you own. Studies show it carries 10 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. Yes, you heard that right. The quick fix? Dampen a microfiber cloth with equal parts water and rubbing alcohol. Wipe your phone, your remote controls, and even your keyboard. Within 60 seconds, you've killed most germs instantly. Tip number 2. Vinegar plus lemon equals kitchen germ destroyer. Your kitchen is a breeding ground for germs. Cutting boards, countertops, and sinks harbor bacteria. A quick solution is mixing equal parts vinegar and lemon juice in a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto surfaces, let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe clean. Tip number 3. Steam power for germ-free bathrooms. Bathrooms are hotspots for bacteria, especially around toilets and faucets. Instead of harsh chemicals, try using a handheld steam cleaner. In less than 5 minutes, the high temperature of steam kills nearly all germs on tiles, sinks, and even the shower floor. No scrubbing, no chemicals, just pure heat. Tip number 4. The 2-minute door handle trick. Think about how many times your family touches doorknobs and light switches every single day. They are silent carriers of germs. Here's the unbelievable part. All you need is a disinfectant wipe. Take 2 minutes to quickly wipe every doorknob and light switch in your home once a day. Tip number 5. Instant germ-free laundry. Did you know washing machines can actually spread bacteria onto your clothes? Shocking, right? To sanitize laundry, add half a cup of white vinegar or a capful of disinfecting laundry additive along with your detergent. This kills lingering bacteria in your clothes and even freshens up the washing machine drum itself. Tip number 6. UV light sanitizing magic. This one feels futuristic. Portable UV sanitizing wands and boxes are available now, and they can sanitize objects in seconds. Just wave the UV wand over surfaces like countertops, keyboards, or even your pillow. The ultraviolet light kills bacteria and viruses instantly. Tip number 7. Microwave your kitchen sponges. Kitchen sponges are the dirtiest item in most households. Instead of replacing them constantly, here's a shocking hack. Microwave a damp sponge for 90 seconds. The heat kills 99% of germs hiding inside. Your sponge is instantly sanitized and safe to use again. Tip number 8. Air sanitizing spray. Sometimes germs don't just live on surfaces, they linger in the air. You can sanitize your home's air naturally by mixing water, rubbing alcohol, and a few drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Next time you think your house is clean enough, remember, real safety comes from sanitizing, and with these quick hacks, you can protect your loved ones faster than ever before. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more life-changing home hacks. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community.